Unlock Your Future, a step-by-step guide for how to apply for a work permit in Japan. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a work permit in Japan. Note that the process might vary slightly depending on your nationality and the specific type of visa you are applying for, but this guide will cover the general procedure. 1. Determine the type of work visa you need. Japan offers various work visas depending on the nature of the job. Common types include engineer, specialist in humanities, international services, intra-company transferee, skilled labor, business manager. Check the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan's website or consult with an immigration lawyer to identify the most appropriate visa for your situation. 2. Find a job in Japan. You must have a job offer from a company in Japan to apply for a work visa. Start by searching job boards, company websites, and recruitment agencies, networking with professionals in your field. Once you secure a job offer, your employer will assist with some parts of the visa application. 3. Prepare required documents. Gather the necessary documents for your visa application. Common requirements include passport, valid for at least 6 months, recent passport size photographs, typically 2, Certificate of Eligibility or COE. Your employer in Japan will apply for this on your behalf. It is a document issued by the Japanese Immigration Bureau to confirm your eligibility for the visa. Employment contract, proof of your job offer, company information, details about your employer and their business in Japan, educational and professional qualifications, relevant diplomas, certificates and transcripts, resume or CV, a detailed resume outlining your qualifications and work history. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 4. Employer applies for Certificate of Eligibility or COE. Your employer in Japan must submit an application for the COE to the local immigration bureau. This process involves providing details about your job and qualifications, as well as the company's information. The COE process can take from 1 to 3 months. 5. Receive the Certificate of Eligibility or COE. Once approved, the COE will be sent to you by your employer. This document is essential for applying for the work visa. 6. Apply for the work visa. With the COE in hand, visit the nearest Japanese embassy or consulate in your home country. Submit the following documents: completed visa application form, available from the embassy or consulate, Certificate of Eligibility or COE, passport, photographs as per the embassy's specifications. Visa fee. Fees vary depending on the type of visa and your nationality. 7. Attend an interview if required. Some embassies or consulates may require an interview as part of the application process. Be prepared to discuss your job, qualifications, and plans in Japan. 8. Wait for visa processing. Processing times can vary but typically take between 1 and 2 weeks. You'll be notified once your visa is ready for collection. 9. Receive your work visa. Collect your visa from the embassy or consulate. Check the visa details for accuracy, including validity dates and conditions. 10. Travel to Japan. Once you receive your visa, make travel arrangements to Japan. On arrival, present your visa and COE at the immigration checkpoint. 11. Register your residence in Japan. Within 14 days of arriving in Japan, visit your local city or ward office to register. To register your address and obtain a residence card or Zairo card. The residence card is essential for various administrative processes in Japan. 12. Start work. With your visa and residence card, you can begin working legally in Japan. Additional tips: consult your employer. Your employer can guide you through many parts of the process and provide specific requirements related to your job. Legal assistance. Consider consulting an immigration lawyer or advisor if you encounter complex issues or need personalized guidance. Stay informed. Immigration policies and procedures can change, so regularly check for updates from official sources. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to obtaining a work permit for Japan and starting your new job in the country. Congratulations on taking a step towards your Japanese adventure. We hope this guide has illuminated the path to securing your work permit and that you are feeling excited and empowered about your journey ahead. Remember, Every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and every step forward is a step towards achieving your dreams. As you embark on this new chapter, keep in mind that the magic in new beginnings is truly the most powerful of them all. Whether it is navigating the application process or starting your new job in Japan, embrace each moment with positivity and confidence. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe for more magical content and helpful tips. Share your own experiences or ask any questions in the comments below. Let us support each other on this incredible journey. Sending you all the best wishes and positive vibes for your new adventure. May it be filled with excitement, success, and wonderful experiences. Until next time, keep dreaming big and believing in your own magic. Stay magical and see you in the next video.